Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look right here. This one is a healthy, glowing, more youthful skin with a little bit of something in the eyes. My last video was a smoky blue eye, so this time I thought of going for a more natural looking makeup. And this is for those people who really don't like bold eyes but still want to do something for the New Year's. So I'm taking my Maybelline Master Prime primer and applying it on the cheeks and on my T-zone area, and I'm applying it in a patting motion. Next, taking this Color Bar Full Cover Concealer, I'm gonna apply it on those areas where there's a little bit of darkness, like around my mouth, on my forehead, around my nose. Next, taking my MAC Face and Body Foundation, I'm applying it on the entire face, but using a very little product and applying it evenly all over my face with the help of my fingers. I'm not using any beauty sponge or any brush. Next, for those dark circles, I'm taking my Elegirl Pro Conceal HD Concealer and applying it under my eyes and blending it out with the help of my fingers. Then I'm gonna take Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and apply it under my eyes just a little bit, just to highlight that area. Next, I'm taking this Perth Doris loose powder and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes and let it sit for a couple of minutes. And I'm also applying it in areas where I tend to get oily. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows with the help of this Rimmel London eyebrow pencil and then taking off all that extra powder under my eyes. Next, using this contour shade from Maybelline Master Contour Palette, I'm going to use it on the crease of my eyes with the help of the blending brush. Next, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution London Flawless 4 palette, that's a long name, and I'm taking this beautiful mauvey pinkish shade and applying it all over my eyelids. This is a beautiful shade. Next, taking this almost like pinky mauvey shade, I'm applying it on the lower lash line. And then taking the same contour shade that I used on the crease of my eyes, I'm just going to contour my face. Next, I'm taking this nude eyeshadow from The Body Shop as my brow bone highlight. And then I'm applying this Maybelline Color Show blush on the apples of my cheeks. It's a very pretty coral shade. Then I am using my favorite highlighter, which is from Makeup Revolution. It's the Pro Illuminate, and I'm highlighting all the high points of my face. And I'm also applying it in the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten that area. Taking this Miss Claire lip liner, I'm lining my lips, and then using this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream, I'm applying it all over my lips, and it's a beautiful mauve shade. Then I'm using this brown kajal on my upper lash line, very close to my lashes, and we are going to smudge it a little later. Then I'm using this nude lip liner on my lower lash line just to have a doll-like eye effect. And here I'm smudging the brown kajal. Next, I'm curling my lashes and putting on mascara. This one is from L'Oreal. It's the Lash Paradise, and it's an amazing mascara. And you can leave it here. It looks beautiful. You don't have to apply false lashes, but I did. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like, share, and comment on this video. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. Wish you all a very happy new year, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.